Hi friend. Welcome to today's learning episode on your favorite real estate channel where we keep dishing insights as it is hot. Let's dive into today's topic: why homes sit too long on the market in the DMV. 3 mistakes sellers make. You have probably seen it. That one house in your neighborhood that's been for sale for what feels like forever. Weeks turn into months, price drops happen, but still, no buyer. If you're selling a home in the DMV, that's Washington, D.C., Maryland, or Virginia, and your property's been sitting too long on the market, it's not just bad luck. There are reasons, and today, we are breaking down the 3 biggest mistakes sellers make that cause homes to linger instead of sell fast. Stick around, because the third one is something even experienced homeowners often overlook. Mistake number 1, overpricing. It's one of the most common reasons homes sit unsold. Every seller believes their home is special, and it probably is, but buyers don't just compare features, they compare prices. In the DMV market, buyers are data-driven. They've seen listings in Tacoma Park, Fairfax, Bowie, and beyond, and they know what a fair price looks like. So, when your home is listed even 5 to 10% above market value, they scroll right past it. And here's the thing, a home that is overpriced doesn't just stay on the market longer. It often ends up selling for less in the end because buyers start to wonder what is wrong with it. Before you list, get a comparative market analysis, that's a CMA, from a local real estate professional. It shows you what similar homes actually sold for, not just what they're listed at. At Brickfront Properties and Construction, we help sellers use that data to find the sweet spot, where your home is priced to attract interest, not chase it away. Mistake number 2, poor presentation. Think about it. Your home's photos and first impression online are the new curb appeal. In the DMV, where buyers are often busy professionals or relocating families, they will decide within 10 seconds if they want to book a showing, and that decision happens before they ever visit in person. If your home's photos look dark, cluttered, or outdated, they'll move on to the next one instantly. Simple updates make a massive difference. Fresh paint, bright lighting, deep cleaning, and professional staging. You don't have to spend a fortune. Even small touch-ups like fixing the cracked tile, updating cabinet handles, or repainting trim can transform perception. Remember, people buy emotion, not just property. You want them to imagine living there. That's why at Brickfront, we often help sellers renovate smart, not just list fast. A little prep creates a lot of profit. Mistake number 3, weak marketing. Even a perfectly priced, beautiful home won't sell if no one knows it exists. Many sellers think putting a for sale sign in the yard and uploading to 1 or 2 websites is enough, but today's buyers live online. They're scrolling Zillow on lunch breaks, browsing YouTube tours, and even discovering homes through Instagram Reels and Facebook ads. If your home isn't showing up where your buyers are searching, it's invisible. A strong marketing plan includes professional photography, drone video, targeted ads, and search-optimized listings. That's how you stop being the forgotten listing and become the must-see home. And here's a secret: local expertise matters. DMV buyers have specific needs: commute routes, school districts, renovation codes, and showcasing those local perks can make your property irresistible. So, let's recap. Homes sit too long on the market in the DMV because of overpricing, poor presentation, and weak marketing. But the good news? Each of these is completely fixable, especially when you have the right real estate and construction team behind you. At Brickfront Properties and Construction, we help homeowners prepare, price, and present their homes the right way, from renovation touch-ups to marketing that converts. If you're thinking of selling in DC, Maryland, or Virginia, don't let your listing grow cold. Let's make sure your property gets the attention and offers it deserves. Follow Brickfront Properties and Construction for more real estate insights, renovation tips, and expert advice, right here in the DMV.